Good morning and Assalamualaikum students. Hope you will be fine and coming with joy today with your studies. So students, your online studies started today again and we are continuing our study, our practice of maths. So students, I hope you enjoyed your it very well and you enjoyed your study today also. Students, today we will practice about geometry and you remember that we have solved some exercises of geometry, and first of all we learn about the definition of the geometry that are used in the geometry. So which definitions we have learned: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, um, straight angle, reflex angle. These are the angles and that you have written in your notebook. So students, I am just revising this. Acute angle means the angle which is less than 90 degree. If this is a right angle, okay. So the angle which is less than 90 degree, it is an acute angle. If the angle is greater than 90 degree, then it is an obtuse angle. And if it is exactly on 90 degree, then it is right angle. And if our angle is like a straight line, then it is called a straight line angle. And if our angle is greater than 180 degree, this is 180 degree straight angle. But if the angle is greater than 180 degree, then it means it is called a reflex angle. So I hope students you will learn these definitions, and after that you have to find out which angle is greater than 90 degree and write the name. Now for example, if I have a angle of 56 degree, angle of 340 degree, angle of 190 degree, 196 degree. So as 56 is less than 90 degree, so that's why it is called acute angle. You write your acute angle. If this angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, it means it is called reflex angle. And if your angle is, again this angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, this is also called reflex angle. For example, if you have an angle of 120 degree, this is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, so that's why it is called obtuse angle. Same like this you will practice exercise number 1, and again students we will discuss about the complementary angle and the supplementary angles. Now what are complementary angles and what are supplementary angles? Complementary and supplementary. Students, if you add two angles and it gives the answer of 90 degree. For example, I am adding here 30 and 40, 30 and 60 degree, and it gives the answer of 90 degree. It means it is called a complementary angle. But if I am giving you 90 degree plus 30 degree and it gives the answer of 120 degree, if I am giving you 90 degree and 100 degree and it becomes giving the answer of 190 degree, 90 plus 90 degree, it gives the answer of 180 degree, it means this is called supplementary. Again, if your angle, sum of angles giving the answer of 90 degree, then it is complementary. If the sum of angles giving the answer of 180 degree, it means it is called supplementary. I hope students there is no confusion in these exercises and you will solve these exercises. In exercise number 6, you have just to identify is that a complementary and is that a supplementary. So same like this procedure you will solve exercise number 6, but in exercise number 5 you just write here find out the complement. Find out the complement. It means they have given you one angle, and which angle you use. If you have given the find out the supplement, then you use 180 degree. You have to write here 180 degree minus this angle 92 degree. Then the answer of this is called the supplement of this. But if you have given, for example, the answer of 180 degree minus 32, 10 minus 2, 8, 17 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8. 88 degree. It means the answer of this is 88 degrees called the supplement. But if I am giving you the angle 25 degree and I am saying to find out the complement, then you know complementary angle is 90 degree. So you minus 25 from 90 degree, it gives the answer of 10 minus 5, 5, 8 minus 2, 6, 65 degree. Means 65 is called the complement. I hope students you will learn each and everything about the geometry from this lesson, and you will practice also these questions. Okay, goodbye.